you're saying.
Like,
I don't get you. I don't understand.
you don't get me?
Yeah.
Why you don't understand tree?
I don't understand.
You don't understand tree stay in Ghana?
No, I just came from United States.
You came from United States of America?
Yeah.
Wow. Me, I be Ghanaian. Yeah, I be Ghanaian.
Okay, okay. You are from Ghana.
No, like I'm a Ghanaian, me.
You are a Ghanaian?
Say you are Americanian,
Yeah.
me I'm a Ghanaian.
Okay, okay. You are
Wow, wow, wow. Please, what is your real name?
I'm Nafiya.
Nafi?
Yeah.
Are you Muslim?
I'm from the north, but I wasn't raised there.
Like raising up.
Yeah, I was raised in the United States.
I on page one. Wow. That is nice. That is nice. Me too. They raised me in Ghana.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah. If I get America, I'll come.
What can I do for you?
Yeah. Sorry. Like, as you are going, you know, I monitor you. Yeah. I monitor you from behind the shots. You see, so as I monitor you, you know, like you are on top restaurant's body is attracting me.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I want you to, you know, be my raw happiness, heart love. Like I'm interested in you.
You're interested in me?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
I want you to be my girlfriend, my wife, my everything.
I'm sorry.
The way you are laughing, as if you two like me.
Oh, you are so funny.
Yeah,
You are so
our
funny.
bonds to be funny in this world because the economy is bad. So if you have funny,
You know something?
yeah,
Can you be my friend? Yes.
like I'm a girlfriend, like I want you to be my girlfriend.
Girlfriend, okay. Okay, I can be your girlfriend, but girlfriend is girlfriend. You are my boyfriend.
No, not be girlfriend, not my girlfriend. Like I want to chop you, you to chop me.
Oh.
I hold you, you hold me. I kiss you, I kiss you. You chop.
I get you now.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry. I have a serious boyfriend. Fiancé to say.
Like you have boyfriend.
I have a fiancé. We are even getting married soon.
That's why I stop, you stop.
Why? Why did I stop?
Yeah, say you have boyfriend, they'll call you, you don't have to stop. So you are interested in me, that's why you stop.
Oh, no. I have to stop to listen to what you have to say to me.
Like you have boyfriend, seriously?
Yeah, it's a fiancé, not a boyfriend.
Now you want to marry?
Yeah, soon.
So you have not married, so me too, I can do overtaking.
You are so funny. You're so funny. That's why I want you to be my friend.
So I will joke for you.
Yeah.
Then you laugh.
Oh, no.
I will be calling Commander Joko. Lewen.
No.
You want me to joke? That's why you want to take me as your boyfriend.
Not really.
You can go. Bye. Tell that.
Nice
What you are meeting me nice. You spoil my mood. You say nice meeting me. You are not. You are from Ghana. They didn't raise you as you talk in Ghana. I say I want to marry you. You say no, you have boyfriend. Then you are talking nice to me. You want me to nice you with you?
You know what? We'll meet again.
Where?
Okay, very soon.
Go.
I'm in a hurry.
Okay, hurry.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you. You are invited. Hey. You are engaged, and you are wearing short knicker, working in Ghanaian, and you think nobody will call you and say you that see, I love you. Share. Talk. I said yeah.